Okay, today we're going to be doing a video review for this product right here. This is the Hykolity. I'm reading off my phone here. Ordered them off of Amazon. There's a 4-foot, 4-set, 42-watt linkable LED shop lights. Hykolity is what it's called. I ordered these because, as you can see, my garage is kind of dark and I want to start working on things more. In here, and I've tried to clean it up. I have a single car garage, so it's not like these great big ones you see on YouTube with people working, 5 motorcycles and all these cars and stuff. I have a small garage, so I have to work in here, and I need it to be as light as possible. Right now, it just has 2 lights like this, one right here, and one up front above the workbench. You can't see the workbench, but it's right there. And when you come in, this whole section back here is really dark. So there's 2 small windows and then a door, and you could probably see that light over there. But I want to lighten up really both sets here, especially when I pull in a car and take off wheels and stuff. It's really dark down here once the SUV's in the garage. So I ordered this product off of Amazon, and I will be speaking about it and probably doing a smaller video review later. But right now I just want to unbox it and show you what it's like. Now the reviews on Amazon for this product are really good. I looked at some of the pictures and they describe it as very, very light. Really bringing in a lot of light, especially for an LED bulb. It's 3,700 lumens. There's 4 of them in here. You can see, let me show you one of them. LED shop light, 42 watts, 4 feet long. Looks like a good product, long lifetime. Let's crack one of these open and see what she looks like. Like I said, the reviews are really good for these on Amazon. A lot of people like them, and from the pictures they've posted, it looks like they really lighten them up. They're linkable. They have I believe a 5-foot cord or a 60-inch cord, and then you just connect each one to the other one, and that way you can run it all off of one power cord. Now I plan on having another product that I ordered off of Amazon, which is this one, just a simple light control mechanism. Movement control, and this will all be linked to that, so when you walk in the garage the lights come on. Because right now the lights don't come on when you walk in the garage. You have to turn them on. So there's the cord wrapped in plastic. I haven't chosen how I'm going to mount these yet. I'll figure that out once I see how they all connect and what they look like. It comes with the lights installed. There's a little packet of screws here, or a chain. Kind of near the light bulb, so I don't want to rip it down into the light bulb. That looks like it's just the chain and a couple of screws right there. Throw that down. That way we can see what one of these lights looks like. There you have it, pretty simple. Comes with a nice instruction manual. Sure, that's lots of interesting reading. Anyways, there it is. The light itself is Intertech. That's all it says on it. Let's just plug one in and see how much brightness it really brings. Where my nearest plug-in is, right here. I'm just going to kind of face this towards the camera. There you go. Quite a bit of difference. As you can see, I'll shine it off into the distance there. And then turn it off. And again, as you can see how dark it is off in here. Turn it on. So that's just one light right there. It's going to add quite a bit to this once I connect all four. And I'll definitely have a bright garage, and it'll be a motion control, so when my spouse drives in, she'll have the garage lights come on, because right now the garage lights don't come on. So that's what this is going to help do. So the light's really bright, looks really nice. I can't wait to get them all linked together and installed. So let me unpack all these, and you probably don't want to see that. I'll be back in a minute. This will go right here in the middle of the garage. For right now, I just have it set for like a 5-second on. But you can see that turns on. I'll have that motion sensor right here, and my garage door is right here. And hopefully it'll give enough room through when I'm walking in the garage that it will turn on these lights when I need them. But as you can see, it's pretty bright, and it should work out really great. There you have it. Lights are all on. I got it set for 4 seconds, and I installed all 4 lights. As you can see, the motion activated is working for 4 seconds. It took me a while. I had to rewire the garage door up here, a new electrical outlet, and then I had to put the motion sensor down here. I originally was going to put the motion sensor up here, but it really wasn't working well, and it wasn't capturing me coming through the garage door over here. Let me shut this door. So now it captures when the car enters. It'll capture right here, and when someone walks through the door, the motion sensor captures that. So it really works well. As you can see, it's really light. I'm going to adjust it real quick just so it stops the 4-second mark. And we'll probably put it on about 10 minutes. This little sensor has a 4-second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, and 20 minute. I'll just put it for 10 minutes. Plug that in. As you can see, it gets relatively dark in here, and especially at night it'll be really great to have this, these lights in here. And as you can see, the motion sensor captures it and got it all installed. Again, these are the Hykolity, Hykolity.com LED shop lights, 42 watts, linkable. So these are all linked and only plugged into one thing, or one outlet over there. And I got 4 of these off Amazon. Great deal. Thanks.